how to update iPhone software. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, let's start. And okay guys, here in your iPhone, go to settings. In settings, go to general. Here in general, you can see here this software update. Okay, you can tap this. You can see here the iOS 18.7 is available. But also available the iOS 26. So I installed the new software on my iPhone, the iOS 26. Okay, you can tap this. And now you can see here the iOS 26. And you can see here the update now button. To update, make sure your iPhone have a large amount of battery capacity and also the phone memory or storage of your iPhone, not less than 14 gig below. And okay guys, to update the new software or iOS 26 on my iPhone, okay, you'll have to do is tap the update now button. If you can see here, the password is show, okay, enter the password. And now you can see the terms and conditions and tap the agree button on the lower right side on your screen. Tap this and the pop-up are show. Okay, tap the agree on the pop-up. And now you can see here the update requested. So wait a couple of seconds. And now you can see here the about 5 hours remaining. So okay, you can see the here in iOS 26. So wait about 5 to 6 hours the remaining time. And now the iOS 26 is now ready to install. Okay, you can see the install button below. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the install button now. If your iPhone is have a password, okay, enter your password. And now verifying update. Okay, and okay guys, my phone is now shut down. Make sure your battery is ready to install or 80 to 90% to make sure your iPhone is ready to install the new software. And the memory of your iPhone is also ready. And now you can see the Apple logo here and the installing bar. At ito na guys yung ating iPhone yan. So may nalabas siyang hula. Yung mga pangalan, kumbaga ano yan, bonjour, hello. So iba't ibang country yan. So dito may swipe up. Swipe up lang daw natin yan. Tapos enter natin yung ating password or passcode ng ating iPhone. At once malagay na natin, so makikita na natin yung software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 26.0. So future software update will be automatically downloaded and installed for you as they are released. You can manage this in software update settings. So pwede na natin iset. So tap na natin itong continue button dito sa baba. Tap the continue. Then ito, stolen devices protection. So pwede itong not now natin. Not now. And okay, here iPhone analytics. Okay, so pwedeng don't share. Tap natin yung don't share. And okay guys, here you can see the information of personalized iPhone with new look for app icon yan. Here you can see, you can swipe to the left to see the difference before and after. Here, okay, tap the continue button below. And now you can tap the continue button again. And okay, welcome. So ito yung ating logo yan. Tap na natin yung get started button sa baba. At okay, successful na. Na-install natin yung pinakang software update natin. So okay, yan, makikita nyo yung difference. Smooth na smooth. Smooth siya guys. Tapos tingnan natin kung talagang nag-install ba siya. Punta tayo sa settings. Dito sa settings, yan, punta tayo ng general. General software update. Yan, makikita natin yan dapat. Yan, iOS is up to date. iOS 26.0. So okay guys, successful nating na-install. And okay, sa may mga katanungan dyan, mag-comment lang kayo below. At kapag hindi ko pa kayo subscriber, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa aking YouTube channel. Click nyo lang ang subscribe button at ang bell para updated kayo sa mga video tutorial like this.